Good morning, everyone. Good morning. My name is Rachel Harris, and I'm a sophomore here at Colorado Academy. So, everyone take a second and think about the last time in the past 24 hours or so when you encountered a problem. Maybe you were sitting in class and your pencil ran out of lead. Or you were carrying your bowl of cereal over to the breakfast table this morning and you dropped it on the ground and it spilled everywhere. Or you got to school today and you realized that you had completely forgotten about a huge test or a major paper that was due. And then think about how you solved that problem. And now think about the last time that you encountered a problem that you didn't solve or that you couldn't necessarily come up with a solution with before you moved on. For example, maybe you pulled up to the intersection you pull up to every single day and there was a homeless person sitting on the corner holding up a sign. Or you turned on your television this morning and you saw a news story of a huge natural disaster halfway across the world, or something about some people suffering somewhere far away. Now, when you encountered those problems, I'm assuming that you didn't come up with a solution for them right away like you did with your pencil lead. I definitely didn't. We're all problem solvers. We're all taught since we were very little that when you encounter a problem, you come up with a solution for it. And you rely on things like your knowledge and your experience to come up with a solution. A solution that you can feel good about, something that makes you feel accomplished, like you can check it off your list and move on to the next thing. But what do we do when we encounter problems that don't have solutions? For me, and for I think a lot of us, I end up going in two different directions. The first one is that I end up looking the other way and ignoring it, because the problem is just so big and I'm not going to find a solution to it. And the second is that we let ourselves become overwhelmed by trying to find a solution to this problem, by trying to find a way that we can solve it, regardless of whether or not there actually is a solution. My family does a lot of service work in Haiti, and I've been lucky enough to go there many times throughout the course of my life. And every time I go, it's an incredible experience. Every time I go, I learn things and I come out of it with a feeling of accomplishment. Like I've done something to make the world a better place. Like I've done something to make a place that I feel so passionate about a little bit better. And it was in Haiti and with Haiti that I realized that there is a third alternative on this spectrum. And that is that when we approach one of these problems that doesn't have a solution, trying to find a way to make it a little bit better and not looking for the solution at all. So, the last time I went to Haiti, I was with the CA group, and we went to a dam. And we walked out on the dam, and on one side of the dam it looks like this. And it's absolutely gorgeous. The sun is shining off the water, and the trees are everywhere, the mountains are off in the distance. It's just beautiful. And on the other side of the dam, it looks like this. Now, when we first saw this, we thought that it was solid. It looked like solid ground, but it's actually rushing water that just piled with layers and layers of trash. And the eye-opening moment of this particular experience for me was seeing a woman walk down the hill on the side of the dam carrying a bucket of water on her head. And she walked down to the bottom of the hill and she takes the bucket of water off her head, sets it on the ground, and gets into this water that we thought looked like solid ground. And she bathes in it, then she gets out of the water. She puts the bucket back on her head and walks back up the hill. Now, I knew that I wasn't going to solve that problem. I knew that there wasn't a solution to that. A solution that I could feel good about, that I could check it off my list and move on. But something that brought me comfort is realizing that there were lots of things that we did on that trip and on any trip that made it a little bit better, made some of those problems that were overwhelming to me, made them a little bit better, and made some difference, even if it was small. So, I would empower all of you today to think about those problems that you can't solve, the ones that really speak to you, that you're really passionate about. And instead of turning the other way because it's so big and it's so hard to think of a way to solve it, And instead of becoming overwhelmed by trying to find a solution to it, try to find a way that you can make that problem a little bit better, and in so doing, make a difference. Thank you.